Good morning.
Hey, I can help you.
I just came to see
To
the one,
visit?
yeah, to visit.
Okay, did
Is
you
there a
check in
fee? Or?
outside or?
No, I
Okay.
don't.
You can either put cash in the blue box outside or I can ring you up inside, whatever's easier for you.
Ring me up, please.
Okay, all right. Okay, it's just $5. Thank you, that's it. Would you like a receipt?
No, that's okay.
There you go. Have you been here before?
No, never. My first time.
Okay, well, welcome. All the animals that you see on display inside the building and then to the left of the building on this side are all non-releasable animals. We do have a hospital that takes in injured and orphaned native wildlife for rehab and release, but all of these were here for a reason, either surrendered or native animals with permanent injuries or imprints or something like that. Or non-native animals that we've acquired over 30 years, and then they're ours. So when you go out to your left, the bulk of it is on this side. There is a small aviary in between the buildings, and then at the far end of the parking lot on the right-hand side, there's an apiary enclosure with beehives and some bee education around there.
sounds
There's
good.
also a little garden on the other side of the loop that you're welcome to walk
I did
through.
see the alligator sign right here outside.
Yes,
no?
there's an
There's-
alligator. There's two little ones here, and there's an alligator
Oh, okay.
right over in. You can see
Jo-
the black fence right on the other side of that oak
Oh,
tree.
just one adult?
Yeah, she's a female in
A
there.
female? Oh,
Yep,
okay, okay. All righty then. I will
Yeah,
check it out.
Absolutely.
Thank
If you
you.
have any questions, just give us a
All
holler.
right, thank you. Oh, look at the snake skin. But where's the snake? I see the skin right here. Oh man, it feels. This is my first time touching it. Um, snake skin feels like plastic. Yeah, it feels like plastic. There's the snake right there. And there is its skin. Feels like plastic. Oh. Hello. We have here. Oh, there goes the snake right there. See nothing there. Look at the spider. And two baby alligators here. Yeah, buddy. Got one left. Yeah, he went to high somewhere. Look at the snake. Oh, that one has venom in it. Wow. Venom. Looks like it's ready to attack. See? Oh, look at his mouth. Oh, Lord. Do it again to the camera. Yeah, that one is getting ready to attack. I think this one is the Diamondback, if I'm not mistaken. Look at that thing. Open your mouth. I like turtles. Let's see what we have here. This one is beer dragon. Hey, buddy. He looks annoyed. You alright in there? Would you like to say anything, or let's see. Oh, look at the gator jaw. Oh, look at that thing. Giant ground sloth. The snake trying to get out. Yeah, it's finding a way to get out and attack me. Let's go see. Let's go find the mama alligator that they were talking about. It's gotta be out here somewhere. What if he escaped and stuff and he's trying to set me up? Oh, there's more stuff over here. Let's come back to the lake, to the gator. Let's come over here first, then go around. Nice mural, huh? Oh, there's nothing over here. Just chairs inside the huge cage or whatever that is. I thought it was gonna be something interesting. Sinbad. Hello, Sinbad. Say hi to the camera. That's what his name is, Sinbad. What happened? You bored? Or just, what are these, pigeons? Well, the pigeons, I can look at them anywhere. Let's see what else they have. They working, cutting grass and stuff. So this is a close-up of a buzzard or vulture, whatever you want to call it. It's camera shy, or you don't want to be bothered, huh? Oh, there it is. Hello. Just pigeons. Nothing interesting. see what's back here. There's supposed to be owls here, but I don't see none. I hope a gator doesn't come out of there. Nope, I don't see no owls. Let's see, what do we run into right here? Oh, that's a beautiful. Was that a falcon? Or... Yeah, he's getting annoyed. I don't want to be on camera. And that's it. A pretty small place. Pretty small place. Oh, there's another one. This is a hawk. Red shoulder hawk. There it is right there. Beautiful animal. Beautiful bird. And now let's go see if we see the gator. Mama gator. You already seen the two babies, but this is the mama right here. I don't know if she's gonna be outside, inside, or... Oh, there she is, look. There she is, just chilling, getting sunbathe. She's there chilling in the sun. She has a nice pool. With a fountain. And there she is. chilling in the sun, you know. Let me see if I get closer. She don't get spooked and leaves. If I get closer, let's see. Yeah, buddy. Yo, get the camera on my face, dude. No, I came to see you. No, dude. Move the camera away from me. Hello, lady. That she was gonna be aggressive and try to attack me or something like that, you know. Trying to jump the gate. You just chilling, huh? Say Mario el brother. She doesn't even look real, she just stays still, you know. I think that's how they are, you know, when they just set you up and then once you get closer they attack. But Florida gator, native Florida animal. Made some wallets, some boots out of you, or some hats. It doesn't even blink or anything. What if it's not even real and they just have it there for, you know, for so people believe that it's a real gator? Anything can happen, you know. It's just there, not moving. What if it's made out of tires or something like that, you know? Let's see. See, it doesn't even move. What the world? Oh, now it's okay. Now it's blinking right now. So yeah, it is real. He's like, come try it, dude. Come try it and see if I'm real. Mama, what a beautiful gator you are, okay? Don't get mad at me. Mama gator. Alright, it was worth the drive. It was worth the drive. Yeah, people, so I'm gonna wrap it up. There you go. Follow up, subscribe, hit the like button. I'm doing my best to bring y'all some new videos every day. What we got here, right quick? What's this? Oh look, are these duendes? Look at the duende right there. That's a dwarf, no? That's how I say it in English, dwarf. Elf, whatever. They must be real, you know? But, oh yeah, I'm gonna tell you a little story. Now that I'm looking at that, if you believe me, you believe me. Not, then whatever, you know? You're free to believe whatever you want. But one time I seen one of those fairies right in front of my face. It was kind of dark, but I could tell it was a fairy. It wasn't no hummingbird or nothing like that. But I seen a fairy one time, and I could see its face, like a kind of shouty figure, you know. It was already getting dark, but I think that's where they live right here, the fairies. But I do believe in that stuff, and I have seen it with my own eyes. And I think it was just saying hello, or he was curious, you know. But like I said, I could see the legs, the little arms, and I'm like, oh snap! It was like 5 seconds right in front of my face. So I'm like, oh, so they are real then. Well, let's go see the mama gator one more time, and then I'm gonna wrap it up. Gotta use the restroom. Yeah, let's go see mama gator. Let's go see her from this side one more time, and let's go see the snake right quick, and then we're gonna wrap it up. See her from here. She's just there chilling. All right, beautiful people, I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna take pictures of the tarantula and the snake, and I'm gonna be out of here. All right, till the next one. Peace.